Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the NC channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the secrets to leveling up. And this is a term that people have been using for quite a while. It was even made popular by Sierra's song, Level Up. If you haven't heard it, go listen to it. It's a good one. And for a while, people have been talking about leveling up in different areas of their lives. And so today, I'm going to be giving the secrets to leveling up in your life. So the first thing we need to do is to define our values. So our values are the things that we believe are important in the way we live and work. Values guide our behavior, providing us with a personal code of conduct. Everyone's values are different. Some of the common values we have are love, success, friendship, intelligence, honesty, respect, and so on. There are quite a lot of them. These values determine our priorities and goals in every area of our lives. There are a few ways that we can define our values, and the first way is to identify the time when you were happiest and what were you doing then? What other factors contributed to your happiness? And then also identify the times when you were most proud. And last but not least, identify the times where you were angry. When you put these things together, you will see that there is a common theme present in all of them, and then you can pick them out to determine the core values in them. When we honor our personal core values consistently, we experience fulfillment. Number two, make smart goals and commit to them. Goals are part of every aspect of our lives, and they bring us a sense of direction, motivation, a clear focus, and they clarify importance. By setting goals, we're providing ourselves with a target to aim for. One of the best kind of goals to set is a SMART one. And SMART is an acronym for the following: specific, measurable, actionable, realistic, and time bound. Also, make sure that the goals will be relevant in future. Now, we're going to delve into what SMART really means and how we can set SMART goals. So, like I said, the S is for specific. Goals that are specific have a significantly greater chance of being accomplished. To make sure a goal is specific, we need to ask ourselves 5 questions: the who, the what, the where, the when, and the why. So, who is involved in this goal? What do I want to accomplish? Where is this goal to be achieved? When do I want to achieve this goal? And why do I want or need maybe to achieve this goal? M is for measurable. A SMART goal must have criteria for measuring progress. If there is no criteria, believe me, you will not be able to determine your progress and if you're on track to reaching your goal. So to make your goal measurable, you need to ask questions like how many or how much, what is my indicator of progress, how do I know if I have reached my goal, and so on. For the A, achievable, a SMART goal must be achievable and attainable. This means it's actually something that you can do. For example, you don't just say, I want to go to the moon, and you're not a scientist, you have absolutely no idea of how that works, you don't know how the moon works, and stuff like that. Believe me, I honestly don't think you will achieve that. To make sure that your goal is achievable, you need to check that you have the resources and the capabilities to achieve that goal. And if you don't, you need to understand what is missing and then ensure that you work on what's missing to make sure it's available to you. The R is for realistic. A SMART goal must be realistic in the fact that it can actually be achieved within the given period of time you have set. For example, you don't say, I want to speak French like a native speaker in 2 weeks. I don't think you're going to achieve that either. So you need to make sure that you're very realistic about your goals. The same way you don't say you want to lose 20 kg in 1 week. Unless you're trying to kill yourself, that is totally unattainable and not realistic at all. And then the T stands for timely. A SMART goal must be time bound in the sense that it has a start and a finish date. If the goal is not time constrained, there will be absolutely no sense of urgency and therefore even less motivation to achieve the goal. I know people who have said things like they want to take certifications or they want to take exams, but they really have no committed dates and they just never do because there was really no sense of urgency. Number three, surround yourself with positive people. According to Jim Rohn, you are the average of the five people you spend most time with. And believe me, this is really true. The people you associate with have a huge impact on your life. To be successful, you need to associate with people who have positive outlook to life, people who are optimistic, and people who help boost your morale because they feel good about themselves and life in general. Avoid people who tend to suck the energy and happiness out of you every time, not just because they're going through something, but just because they are like that and typically filled with negative energy. Believe me, you will be way happier in life without this negative energy constantly surrounding you. And if you're the one with the negative energy, please do something about it. Find things that make you happy, read happy news, do happy things, and just be generally less negative, please. Number four, surround yourself with smart and confident people. This obviously is a continuation of number three when it talks about the people you surround yourself with. You can build your self confidence and boost your life and career success by spending time with smart and confident people who are not threatened by you or by your success, but who are interested in seeing you succeed as well. That is very important. Number five, invest in yourself. The most important investment we can make is an investment in our personal development. Our knowledge and skills remain with us regardless of the economy. Investing in ourselves, in acquiring knowledge and skills, is the most important investment we can make for our financial future. This means investing in our education to increase our knowledge base and update our skills. Another thing to invest in is our personality because our personality and attitude takes us a long way, even financially. Whether as employees or business owners, our personality and attitude are critical for our success. It's not enough for us to acquire all the skills and knowledge, but then we need to make sure that we're able to work with people. We get along with our co-workers, business partners, clients. We get along with people generally. When we invest in ourselves, we broaden our perspectives. We increase our self confidence. We challenge our beliefs. We originate possibilities. We will not let external conditions or situations affect us. Investing in ourselves means learning new things, taking intelligent risks, stepping out of our comfort zones, setting bigger and challenging goals, exploring opportunities that improve our lives. The sixth point is to broaden our horizons. To broaden our horizons, we can do a couple of different things. For example, try new things. You can decide to do something new every week to keep life fresh and interesting. If you're someone that doesn't like to try new things very often, you're not alone. It's okay to be cautious and careful in the decisions we make occasionally, but you can't let the fear of things going wrong stop you from trying something new. I have a friend who decided to try something new every month. She had a yearly plan with 12 new things she was going to try. And believe me, by the end of the year, she was a very, very happy person. I don't know if she achieved everything on it, if she did everything on it, but at least the things that she did made her really happy. And it also made her, let's say, level up in society and in life in general. It was a very good idea. Another thing we can do to broaden our horizon is to visit new places. A good way of doing this is by traveling. There is always a clear difference between someone who is well traveled and someone who isn't. You'll be surprised to learn that you can gain so many benefits from traveling to new places. Vacations, when done the right way, have been proven to make people feel less stressed and anxious. You don't have to spend such a great deal on traveling. There are lots of budget travel deals. Just be on the lookout for them. Another way to broaden your horizon is to meet new people. I have learned so many things from the people I have met and associated with over the years. We don't necessarily have the same core values or core beliefs, but then they've taught me how to be my own person and to understand why I am the way I am and why the values that are important to me really are important to me. When you talk to the same people who think the same things and do the same things exactly as you do, you really don't grow. You just stay stuck in the same place. And that doesn't really help you level up. It doesn't help you move places in life. You need to be challenged in your thinking and to understand your beliefs. That will take you a long way in life, believe me. Number seven, get a mentor. Your chosen mentor should be somebody you look up to. It should be someone who has achieved what you want to achieve or something similar to what you want to achieve and can guide you towards achieving your goals. A mentor, based on his or her experience, will be able to provide you with a lot of information, thereby reducing your learning curve and the time spent on figuring how you want to achieve your desired goal. Number eight, join a networking group and attend conferences. By joining a networking group, you will meet like minded people interested in a particular business venture, career, idea, or goal. This helps you increase your exposure to your area of interest and to benefit from the experience of others. It also gives you the opportunity to discuss ideas and find solutions to related problems. Conferences are known for having a lot of creative events that encourage interaction, creative thinking, engaging lectures, and conversations. During conferences, you can also meet experts and influencers face to face. You also network with people who have come from far and near. Number nine, embrace excellence. Excellence is the quality of being outstanding and extremely good. Excellence is neither perfection nor a road to dissatisfaction. It is simply recognizing the unlimited potential in you and deciding to be the best you can be in whatever you do. Number 10, don't procrastinate. One of the reasons people do not progress in life is because they procrastinate. They have great ideas of what they want to achieve. They think long and hard about it. They make plans about it. But when push comes to shove, they keep putting off the tasks needed that will help them make their dreams a reality. Stop thinking and start doing. Start small. Seek out small victories. Give yourself a pat on the back. Keep going until you finish it. Number 11, don't give up. As we try to level up in life, there will be obstacles along the way, but don't despair. Obstacles are part of the learning curve, and overcoming them is a vital step towards achieving our goal. Therefore, rather than despairing, see them as challenges and rise up to the challenge. Overcoming the challenge helps you grow, makes you stronger, and helps you develop life skills. Now, number 12, last but not the least, look the part. Clothes are tools we use to cover our bodies, but most importantly, they tell the world who we are. Whether we like it or not, we're judged by our appearance, and the clothes we wear matter. If you look sloppy, people may decide that you were careless with little respect for details or even yourself. If you wear ultra revealing clothes, you might be seen as desperate. The point is, the first impression people get from us is from the way we dress. Sad, but true. If you want to level up, dress the part. Easy peasy. So these are the points I have put together for the ways to level up, and I hope that they have helped you as much as they have helped me. We will quickly recap the points that I went through. Number 1, define your values. 2, Make smart goals and commit to them. 3. Surround yourself with positive people. 4. Surround yourself with smart and confident people. 5. Invest in yourself. 6. Broaden your horizons. 7. Get a mentor. 8. Join networking groups and attend conferences. 9. Embrace excellence. 10. Don't procrastinate. 11. Don't give up. 12. Look the part. Thank you so much for listening to this. And if you have stayed all the way to the end, thank you. I appreciate that. If you have any comments or you would like to share any tips, please leave them in the comment section below. I will be reading. And once again, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.